Hello, good people. My name is Bright Chimezie. I am the Duke of African music. They also call me the Zigima King because I do Zigima. Yes. Obey Yororom is obey completely. You see, in the song, Obey Yororom, I was just trying to tell people, obey God completely. Trust in God completely. Believe in Him completely. You see, at this COVID-19 season, almost everything has failed. Everywhere is locked down all over the world. Now, at this point in time, what do we do? Scientists are still searching for a cure. Reverend ministers are like, what do we do, God? So at this point in time, we are looking up to God for solution. Obey Yororom. Obey completely. Trust in Him completely and believe in Him completely. That is Obey Yororom. Yes, I am from Umuahia, the capital of Abia State. Ohoho, to be precise. Ohoho man will always tell you, Yororom, Nekulem Yororom. I agree with you completely. Ekulem Yororom. I agree with you completely. I believe in what you're telling me completely. So I said, obey God completely. Believe in Him completely. Trust in Him completely at this point in time. Because that is the only solution. What really inspired the song? Could you believe it? I wrote this song almost 2 years ago. 2 years ago, but it's not been publicized. Then when this COVID-19 just came up, I said, how do I encourage people, especially people of my own homogeneity, people that speak the same language, because there's a lot of fear in Igbo land now. Because at this point in time, everything has collapsed, lockdown. I don't know whether it's the first time in history, but in our present generation, the flights are not going anywhere again because of the rate of devastation on human beings. I said, what do? We have to look up to God. Then I brought out the song to use it to encourage the people, to tell people not to fear. Ask people to look up to God for solution, because myself, I am looking up to God for solution. And another thing I want to put across is this. Wordings of the music I took from the Bible, Isaiah 41. So I said, trust in God, Yororom. Believe in Him, Yororom. Obey Him, Yororom. The Obey Yororom is a track in my latest album titled Truth and Justice. And in this Truth and Justice album, it contains 6 songs. Obey Yororom happened to be the 4th track in this album. So that is where the track is being taken from, Obey Yororom. Yes, there has to be challenges, but definitely they are surmountable. This is one game I have been into for several years now. But we went to the studio, did the normal recording, and came out. So, but at the end of the day, the production came out, beautiful. Not much of a challenge, because that is what I love doing. You see, we in the creative world, we find it very, very difficult to say. It's just like asking a father, which among your children is your favorite? That's one question every father or mother finds difficult. I think the whole tracks in the album are very, very good. But this Obey Yororom, because of its significance, because of the situation of the country, the whole world now, I will consider it as the best track so far. Yororom.